people, welcome back to my channel. So I just want to share firstly, I know you can get to know what will be the video of today because it's already given in the title, but as well I just want to share with you guys the four things, actually kind of message or a conversation I want to do with you. That is, I thought of doing this YouTube channel videos. I want to just mix up my Bengali language, English, and sometimes Hindi as well. I'm not that comfortable with Hindi, but I can mix up English and Bengali so that it can be understood by everyone, each and one of you. Because as I said that it's more convenient in Kolkata if I do in Bengali, because all of the people are not so much like comfortable with English, so I will try to do that. And I don't know ব্যাপারটা মানে কি বলবো, being a Indian girl, Bengali girl, আমি জানি না whether YouTube, as I mentioned before intro ভিডিওতে, যে আমি প্রপারলি শিওর না কি লাইক হোয়াট টু সে এরকমভাবে হয় কি না, মানে মিক্স আপ ল্যাঙ্গুয়েজেস, আর এরমভাবে ইউটিউব চ্যানেল কেউ স্টার্ট করেছে কিনা, কি কেউ করে কি না, বাট আই জাস্ট ওয়ান্ট টু ডু ইট ইন মাই ওয়ে. ইট ক্যান বি লাইক উইথ ইংলিশ অ্যান্ড বেঙ্গলি, নট স্পেসিফিকলি ইংলিশেই হতে হবে অর বেঙ্গলিতেই হতে হবে এর কোনো মানে নেই, বিকজ দিস ইজ দ্য ফার্স্ট থিং. আই জাস্ট ওয়ান্ট টু নো কি তোমাদের এই জিনিসটা ভালো লাগছে কিনা, বা আমি এটা ঠিক করছি কিনা, বিকজ ইটস আই রিয়েলি ওয়ান্ট টু নো কি আই এম ডুইং ইট রাইট অর রং. Please ignore the airplane sound because I stay nearby airport, so this happens each and every time. Anyway, so I just want to know ki am I doing the right thing or not, or তোমরা কি পছন্দ করবে. Actually আমি কি বলবো, the people might do YouTube videos in one specific language, but I don't want to do it because I want to be myself. I mean, what I want, I just want to share, as I said that I just want to share whatever little knowledge I personally have. সো এটাই বলার ছিল. সেকেন্ডলি হচ্ছে, আই হ্যাভ রেড অল ইউর কমেন্টস, ভিউজ, অ্যান্ড থ্যাংক ইউ সো মাচ যে এত তোমরা সাপোর্ট করছো, অ্যান্ড ইউর গাইজ আর বিং সো সাপোর্টিং অ্যান্ড কাইন্ড অ্যান্ড সো জেনারেস, অ্যান্ড অলসো ইউ আর শোয়িং সো মাচ ইন্টারেস্ট, you are giving me ideas. So please continue doing that, be it in my DM, be it in my YouTube comment box. So just do it, okay? That's what I want, because as I say that আমি এত প্রফেশনাল না, I'm not that professional, and I can't just always make things so perfect. I don't want to make it perfect though, because I feel that if you don't do anything wrong, you don't understand the exact meaning of it. I personally feel that, like, yes. So many of you have suggested me to give the link of the product if I show anything. I will do that, of course. Many of you also said to swatch some of the products like lipsticks or be it anything, so it can be more prominent. I will surely do that. And some of you also suggested to do a detailed video of that hair product. I made you all to see, like, in my previous YouTube video. So আমি ওটা করবো, of course. And one thing, one thing is that one of my known people said me that you are a girl, and I think it's better to do not a technical kind of review. Obviously it's non-sponsored as I'm not a professional, but what I feel is I it's just a small information. I have never been into one place, like I have never done anything so specifically, be it swimming, be it dancing, be it like singing, be it anything. I've not been raised like this. I'm a kind of introvert person, but as well I'm not stuck into one place. So I really don't want ki I'm a girl, it's better to do beauty products or fashion things rather than of technical things, be it any technical things. So I understand the fact that it's not convenient to give you information if I'm not sure about it, but as I said that I will try to give whatever I know, but that doesn't mean if I want to let you all know what I bought, or is it money worthy or something. So I really don't want this channel to be very, very specific. I want it to be a mix of everything, like be it fashion, be it beauty blogging, be it reviews, be it technical things, be it a vlogging, a prank thing. I will try, of course, doing that. I have always wanted to do this. So that's what message I wanted to give you. I have never been stuck into a single topic in my life. I've always been changing schools and college and like so on, so on. So I know it's not good, but that's what I am, and I really, really want to be very, very genuine and very straightforward with you all. I don't know my behavior or the way I'm thinking is correct or not, but that's what I am. So I'm so sorry for wasting your time. Pardon me for that. And so without any further ado, let's get into the video. I have shopped some in the Nykaa summer super sale. Yes, I think I'm correct. So without any further ado, let's get into the video. So this is the box I have received from Nykaa. Actually I have received 2 parcels, and this is the like big box, so I made it together. So I'll just show you what I bought. I'm so sorry for these noise and as well my unprofessional act. Okay, so the first one I bought is a huge box of this thing. It's a Plum the Glow pack powered by green tea. It has green tea pore cleansing face wash, green tea revitalizing face mist, then Get Pampered face mask, and Get Clear night gel. I have already started using this, so I can just give you the right review. I exactly don't have the purse right now. This is the golden purse you will get. I will mention each and everything this time. The price, I think this sale is not going on. It's like it's was in May. 1st of May. So I will link down each and everything, every detail, so that you can check it out, and of course you can try if you want to. So this is the green tea. I think it is visible. This is the green tea pore cleansing face wash. I have dry skin, but this is for combi and oily and acne prone skin. So I use this one, and I mean I was using this I think 4 or 5 days. So as of now I can see it is so obviously definitely suiting me, and it is not so harsh chemical, or you'll not feel so itchy or something if you are dry skin type, or be it any like oily or specifically normal skin. I think it's very applicable for each and every skin type. So you can try this. This is the face wash. This is how it looks. And so the second thing I have is this. I always starting using this. This is the Plum Revitalizing Face Mist. So the best thing about this is just really awesome. Like I will always recommend you this, because it is used for even setting spray. It is used for adjust or touch up your makeup. It is used for nourishing. It is used for hydrate your skin. It is so fresh. I mean, when you apply into your skin now, it is so amazing. Like this, you can apply. Yeah, so it is so beautiful, and so it smells so fresh. I mean, yeah, this is highly recommending. This I'm sorry for it. It has a box, but it's not right now with me. It is a green tea clear face mask. This is how it is. I haven't used this one, so I think that other than, I mean, the Plum products are really very nice. The 3 products I've already started using, and I'm getting very nice hydrated skin. So I think this one will also work. And the other one I got is this night gel. This is just amazing. Trust me, my father, my mother, like 3 of us already started, like already in love with this product. Like seriously, it is so hydrating, so clear, and so refreshing. I mean, you'll feel so light, and if you massage it is so just damn good. The best thing about this thing I got in Nykaa summer super sale is that I got 2 things free, which is absolutely amazing for a girl, I feel. This is a thing I got as free, completely free. One is the golden pouch. I'm extremely sorry. I will obviously show you that purse later, I mean this video, but now I don't have that purse. But this is the thing I got as free. So it contains refreshing face mist as well as clarifying face mask. So the best thing about the sale, Nykaa sale, is this. I am just so eager, and I'm just so in love with this face mist. I thought that I will give it to someone, because the 2 bottle, what will I do with that? But I will for sure keep this. And this is the green tea clear face mask. So I will let you know how it is in my Instagram or in my Facebook. I will surely give you a small review of this. I'm so sorry I haven't started using. So yeah. And also actually 15th May was my birthday, and from Nykaa I got this gift. It is so cute, and I got this Nykaa Black Magic Kajal. I haven't used it. I just opened it and I just smudged in my hand. So see, this is super creamy as well as jet black, I feel. Yeah. And if you smudge it, yeah, it is a bit smudgy, but it's okay. I mean, it's nice that, I mean, you don't, I personally don't like things to be stuck completely. I kind of love smudginess, a kind of messiness. So it's okay for me, I think. Yeah, you're getting a gift free. And like this, I mean, this product is very very smooth as well, the texture. So yeah, this is so nice. I got the second bottle of this micellar cleansing water. This is just a super product. I mean, after you're done with your makeup, with your shoot, with your reels, without everything, just use this before applying face wash, toner, or whatsoever. This is just so amazing. It like clarifies your skin, and it removes all your makeup, be it particles, be it anything. So yeah, this is super nice, and I think maximum of few people have used this. The another product I got for myself is this Biotech Bio Morning Nectar Visible Flawless Skin Moisturizer for all skin type. If you don't know, I am a big fan of Biotech. There is three reasons behind it. It is very I think these products are very very like convenient to each and one of everybody. Like, it is so convenient to all skin types. It is used for different purposes. If you want to use it as your moisturizer, as your cleanser, you can do it. And also it is very very affordable and natural, which is so amazing, I feel. So please, if you don't haven't tried Biotech products, I will highly suggest you to try, because I'm super satisfied after using these kind of products. So again, this product I bought it before, but again I bought it because I'm just in love with this Smashbox Malvika. Yeah, Smashbox Malvika Always On Mini Matte Duo. These two shades are just my favorite, and I don't think that I have to say much. I know it's a high-end product, Smashbox, but trust me, it is so affordable. I think it's 100,000 or 1090. It is just so convenient, so nice. So I mean, it literally lasts 7 to 8 hours. I'm damn sure about it. Like me, I always eat lipsticks. So for me, I mean, I feel it's the best. I'll show you the color. Yeah, this is the driver's seat. This is my most favorite current lipstick. This is a nude mauve lip shade. I'm so in love with this shade, my god. And this is a Baby Alert lipstick. It's a pink, light pink nude color. I think it's visible, I don't know, I'm not sure. So it is just so nice. I mean, it is very soft. It is a liquid lipstick. I don't like liquid lipstick which is very very harsh and which is very not like sugar lipsticks used to be nice, but it like my lips feel so much exhausted when I apply those lipstick. It is just so dry and it feels very uneasy. So these lipsticks are very soft and smooth, and also like so nice. And also we are in the end. This is all that I have received for myself. So this is it. This is all I have received in the sale. I think you like the video. I'm so sorry for taking your precious time in the beginning, but I just wanted to share the message. But from the next video you will get very detailed. I will not blabber. Actually, I am blabbering for the first time. As I say that I'm a big introvert, but I am just trying to explore just trying to giving you knowledge, of whatever little knowledge I have, just want to perceive and also share with you all. And another tip I recently discovered is, this is a mascara and a eyeliner. If I like, most of in the cases it happens like your mascara is dry up, your eyeliner is dry up, your liquid lipstick is dry up. So one tip you can do is, you can mix up this micellar cleansing water in the tub, in the eyeliner tub or in the mascara tub, and you can just see the result. It will be the same, and trust me, it will automatically magically be liquid again. So it's a small tip, it was a small tip. I will try to share some small tip at the end of every video. I hope you like the video, and please pardon my mistakes, and please comment down what you want to watch, what you want to know, and also comment down if I'm going wrong anywhere. Drop your views, be free to discuss. Thank you, bye.